In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your project repository on GitHub and seamlessly integrate it with Hostinger. If you've ever wanted to showcase your coding projects online or simply need a reliable hosting solution, stick around as we dive into this step-by-step process. First, let's start by preparing your project repository on GitHub. For those who might be new to GitHub, it serves as a dynamic platform where developers can collaborate, manage, and store their coding projects. Make sure you have your project set up and committed on GitHub, ready to go. This not only helps in keeping your progress tracked, but also allows sharing and collaboration with others more efficiently. If you haven't already, ensure that you create an account on GitHub and set up your repository. Once all of that is ready, we'll move on to the next step. Now, the next part of the process involves logging into Hostinger. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage your hosting needs. Once you're on the Hostinger dashboard, you'll have access to a range of tools and options for managing your web hosting space. It's important to familiarize yourself with this layout as we'll be using some of these features shortly. Once you are logged in, you have two main options to connect your GitHub repository with Hostinger, using Hostinger's Git integration feature or leveraging the SSH terminal. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using the SSH terminal to give you a hands-on approach. Now, before we proceed, make sure you have access to SSH. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a protocol allowing secure command line login to a remote server. SSH access is generally straightforward with Hostinger, but if it's your first time, you may need to enable it through the hosting control panel. Look for the SSH access settings. It could be under your account or server settings. With SSH access enabled, open your terminal application. This could be your local terminal if you're on Mac OS or Linux, or a terminal app like Putty if you're using Windows. Once your terminal is open, you'll want to connect to your hosting space. Typically, you'll see instructions in your SSH settings on Hostinger outlining how to do this, including the hostname, username, and password or SSH key you'll use to log in. After successfully connecting via SSH, it's time to clone your GitHub repository to your hosting folder. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to store your project files and type the following command: git clone followed by the URL of your repository. For example, git clone https://github.com/username repo.git. This command will pull all your project files from GitHub into your specified directory on the server. Finally, it's essential to ensure all files are up to date. You might want to execute git pull periodically to fetch and integrate changes from your repository as you continue to develop your project. And there you have it, a seamless setup to showcase your work on a reliable platform.